So the video that I wanted to upload tonight was actually the Ender 3 build video that I did for this printer, and when I went to edit it last night I found out that the camera actually stopped recording about 12 minutes in, and so I got about the first 12 minutes and the last 5 minutes. I ended up losing about 15 minutes of video in the middle there, so that video is gone basically. I might still try to kind of edit together what I have and maybe post it, I don't know, but you know, that was definitely a fail. Lost most of that video, so that sucked. I was bummed about it. Then I got up today, had some prints I wanted to get done, started on the prints, and basically every print that I did just was fighting me. The printers were acting up, you know, under extruding, or you know, just different issues. And so I was pretty frustrated with that also, and it had me thinking about just about failure, and kind of just inspired me just to make this quick video just to talk about failure. You know, the prints that you see in my videos are basically, you know, it's my best work. It's the prints that I've put a lot of work into, you know, trying to dial the filament in the printer in, get the print just right. And that's really what you see on YouTube and on Facebook and wherever else, is basically people's best work. And sometimes that can be intimidating because you see the stuff that people are putting out and you just think that's what they always produce. They always produce these beautiful prints, and you know, and you might be having some frustrations because yours aren't coming out as good, you know, things like that. So it's just important to understand that everybody has failures that they have to push through, and really it's the failures that we learn more from. You're always going to learn more when something fails than if something succeeds. And so I think, and that's just, you know, in life, not just, you know, in prints. It's just, you know, these are just some of the failures that I had here. You know, just for every, you know, good print that I have, there, you know, there's always a failure. There's always something you're having to work through. So I just kind of wanted to do this video just to kind of just remind people that, you know, you just have to keep trying, you have to keep pushing, just keep learning from your failures and get better from them. And as long as you learn from a failure, it's not truly a fail. It's just an opportunity to grow or learn. You know, I just think that, I feel like that's a good philosophy for life, you know, also. And I think that we as people have to go through some struggles to teach us who we are, how strong we are, you know, what we can do. So I guess that's it. I really just kind of wanted to just put something out there just to, you know, kind of talk about failure and how it's just a normal part of the process and everything that we do, and you just have to persevere and get through it and come out the other end better for it. So that's it. Hopefully this video, you know, did a little something for you, maybe, you know, lifted your spirits a little bit if you were a little down or something like that. Appreciate you guys watching, and happy printing.